Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are drawing a turtle. It might look a little bit tricky from the first sight, but I'm sure we can do it. Let's start from the shell. And shell is in the shape of the semicircle, like this. And because of the shell kind of bends over the body parts of the turtle, we're gonna mark those curves first. One for the neck, one for the tail, and two for legs, like this. And now we can connect those curves, and we will have one wavy line here. So now we need to draw the same wavy line underneath. Let's leave some gap here, and from this spot we are just drawing the same line and connect here. Next we are going to draw legs. As we mark some space already, we know where to put them. One here, another here. The legs shape are kinda half of the oval. One is done, and now the same here. Let's draw the lower part of the body. First between legs, and the same line goes on here, round, and go back. Now from this side it will go directly to the neck, so we go on the same line, and we finish approximately here, and later on we will connect with the head. Let's finish the back side of the neck, and with the line of the neck we're gonna close that gap. We are done with the neck, and we can start drawing a head. We will add some curve here. From here we will start drawing eyes. Oval for the eye. One eye first. We go on this line, like this. And now we can draw another eye. Here curve goes down, and from this spot we start drawing mouth, and it will finish approximately under the eye, like this. The mouth will be open. It will be wide smile here, so one line connecting to the same spot, little curve here, and one short line parallel to this one. We can add a tongue, and we will finish the head with one curved line. Like this. And now we can connect neck and the head. Now it's time to add missing legs. They are behind. One here and one here. Our main shape is done already, so now we can just add more details. Start from the eyes, highlights, one spot for the nose, We will add some spots for legs. Also for the body. And the last part is the shell. We will draw some pattern there. So this is it. I'm very happy with our turtle. As drawing turtle can be a little bit tricky, it's totally fine if you need to have another try. Just run the video from the beginning, and when you are happy with the result, join me for coloring. Alright, we completed the drawing, and I really hope you are proud of yourself. And as always, at the end of my videos, let's think what else we can add to this drawing to make it more fun. I think I would add a froggy on his back, like he is giving his friend a ride. Or draw sunglasses, so he would look cool. Thank you very much for joining me today. I am always happy to draw together, so see you in next videos. Bye bye!